Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this twisted text effect on CapCut PC. Add in your default text, and I'm just going to leave the text as is. Of course you can change it to whatever you want. Also, I'm going to change the font as well. You can also add in like this glow if you'd like to. It's totally up to you if you want to add this or not. I'm just going to actually write twisted text. And then once you're done with that, you're just going to right click, create compound clip. Go to effects and add in the Ripple Distortion effect to your text. So you're just going to grab this and add it to the image like so. And these are the settings that you're going to want to add to it. So I'm just going to leave the size. I'm going to adjust the speed a little bit. I'm going to turn down the strength, and I'm going to adjust a twist. Just look at it first and see if you're pleased with that. You're also going to add in this Doodle Diary effect on it as well. So add it. Okay, maybe like add it on top, I guess. And delete the sticker, the texture, and the filter as well. And you're just going to adjust the speed to around like 75-ish. And that is it. Just apply it to the whole video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!